Hello, true believers. Me and Hero just finished running, and check out. Look at this this dessert that we came home to. Look, this is enseymada with cream cheese. The boss said, and then ube cheese. So I'm ready to dig in and try these babies. But as you can see, these are homemade. She has these containers that she has it in, and then what we're doing is she's just baking it over here in our toaster oven. So if you look, so this is the finished product. This is the other finished product: ube cheese and enseymada, homemade enseymada, and homemade ube cheese pandesal. So I'm gonna try one, but this is what it looks like. So she's been working on it, as you can see over here, and then she has it ready to bake, and she's baking it just like right over here. So if we look over here in our toaster oven, it's right there. So that's what it looks like inside there. You can appreciate that there. There's a toaster oven baking in there. So what a delicious treat. So let's try one. I'm gonna try one. Oh, it's still nice and warm. So it looks like inside. So let's take a bite. Okay. It's good. So it's been a while since I've done one of these food blogs, but here we go. What a delicious treat. Ube pandesal and homemade enseymada here in the Philippines. Homemade by the boss. Alright, so that's what we are eating today. This is Tony. Thanks for watching. Oh, so good. Now I just need some milk to wash it down with. That's what life is like here in the Philippines with Tony.